Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Zubair, Senior Lecturer, Department of Textile Engineering, Port City International University. I am very much lucky to be a part of this Python for Research project. I am very much thankful to our honorable mentor, Mr. Zubair sir, for providing us such a beautiful platform. And really, he has done a tremendous job. And I am very much fortunate to be a part of this great honorable journey. You know that research work is lagging behind day by day in our higher studies, especially universities and other great institutions. So it is our one of our great entrepreneurs should come forward to help this to pioneer this event, to pioneer this great event. So thank you. I am very much really thankful to our great pioneer, our Zubair sir, for giving me a chance to be a part of this great journey. And I have participated in only one lectures, the last class of the first phase. So, and I have shared. I am trying my best to share all the posts and all the materials of this great research into my students, and I am trying my best to increase the number of followers. Keep me on a prayer, and I am trying my utmost to increase much more follower to make this journey more and more successful. And always great wishes and for this great course and our honorable mentor and our instructor. Thank you so much. Thank you.